Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cod fish in the oven. First, preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures even cooking from the start. Next, gently pat your cod fillets completely dry using paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that perfect, slightly crispy texture. Finally, prepare your baking dish by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper for easy cleanup and to prevent sticking. Now, let's talk about seasoning your beautiful cod fillets. Drizzle each piece with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, ensuring it's evenly coated. Then, season generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs such as fresh dill or chopped parsley. For an extra burst of flavor and brightness, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top before baking. This simple combination truly enhances the natural taste of the fish. With your cod perfectly seasoned, it's time to get it into the oven. Carefully place the fillets in your prepared baking dish, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your fillets, but a good indicator of doneness is when the fish flakes easily with a fork. For food safety, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Once your cod is perfectly baked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for just a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the fish moist and tender. Garnish with some fresh herbs, perhaps a sprinkle of chopped chives or more dill, and an extra lemon wedge for those who enjoy a little more zest. Serve your delicious oven-baked cod immediately alongside your favorite side dishes, such as roasted asparagus or fluffy rice, for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.